Welcome to the Midweek Wrap, the only hyper-local news, weather and events program for the Yarra Valley and the Dandenong Ranges, only on Yarra Ranges Live TV.
Yes, and if you'd like to promote your local business, we've got a great offer for you guys. It's a local business saver where we can come out and do feature your business, do a live advertorial to our Facebook audience of over 11,000 followers. It's only $250. How good is that?
Only $250?
Only $250 to get promoted on Yarra Ranges Live TV.
Yes.
Email yrlife.tv@gmail.com.
Absolutely. And what have we been up to, Pat?
Well, we've been out and about chatting to some local businesses to share their COVID stories, of course. On Saturday, we headed up to the beautiful township of Mount Evelyn, where one of the only shops that are closed around there are Dragon Tattoo Company. We had a chat to their owner, Brett, and met his partner, Alyssa, of course, to share with you some of their COVID struggles and hardships, which is interesting because, of course, the tattoo industry, even before COVID, they're hyper-hygienic and health conscious.
Yeah, wearing masks and
everything's
gloves,
sanitised,
yeah.
of course, but sadly, they're one of the industries and sectors that have been shut down.
Such a shame.
Yeah.
Then we went to the Yarra Glen Bakehouse, where we spoke to Nikki and Deb about, well, they came up with a really interesting idea for the kids to do during lockdown.
Cool idea.
Yeah, so talk about that, Pat.
Yeah, so basically they've come up with a great competition that they've been running for 3 weeks, and they extended it until the end of this week, where the kids can create their own giant donut. So basically they print out the sheet and the form, they colour it in and create their own donut on paper, and they submit it to the Yarra Glen Bakehouse, who then choose a winner Monday through to Friday, and their creative pastry chefs, they then make it. And it's a giant donut.
I
It's
know,
huge.
I know. How good was the one we got to take home, Pat?
I wouldn't know, Karina, I didn't get to taste it.
Oh yeah, that's right. It was delicious though. And then on Sunday we came here to the Yarra Valley Chocolaterie, where we spoke to owner
Chocolaterie.
Leanne, Chocolaterie, whatever you want to call it. We spoke to owner Leanne and one of the, what is it again?
He's a chocolatier.
Chocolatier. I always
Lenny
get
the
that
chocolatier.
mixed that up. One of the chocolatiers here, Lenny, about their, well, that's not only chocolate they do here. They do delicious foods. They also do things that packs that you can cook at home, like scones and brownies, and even high tea packs.
Yes, they deliver the awesome high tea pack. There's also a fantastic chocky fondue kit as well that they can deliver to you guys, of course. And for more information, check out their website, www.yvci.com.au.
Absolutely, but now it's time for the local latest news headlines.
Presented by our very own...
Presented by me. As the return to Stage 3 lockdown continues to impact Victorians, the Yarra Ranges Council is urging the federal government to extend its JobKeeper and JobSeeker payments as concerns around the long-term social and economic impacts of restrictions continue to grow. The council says it's seen an increase in issues that have already impacted the Yarra Ranges before coronavirus, such as mental health issues, homelessness, family violence, substance abuse and social isolation. The council says to extend these government payments would provide millions of people with greater certainty, hope and optimism. Thankfully though, the Yarra Ranges is full of kind people who go out of their way to brighten the lives of others in our community. So much so, the council have a page on their website dedicated to highlighting these acts of kindness, including a Healesville resident who created an artwork to thank our frontline healthcare workers, a Healesville restaurant that donated toilet paper to the elderly, a Badger Creek community group cheering up their neighbours with hidden badges and free DIY kits, a group of gardeners growing food for those in need, a cafe feeding the community, and a Moorabart community group nourishing the community with food boxes and craft kits. And finally, Councillor Tim Heenan visited the Yarra Valley's most popular recreational spot last week to celebrate 30 years since its opening. The Lilydale Lake has provided the community with a beautiful location to meet for family barbecues, to exercise, playgrounds for the kids, and a place for sailing enthusiasts to meet and get out on the water for over 3 decades now. Whilst COVID restrictions are preventing many of us from visiting the lake, it's still a great opportunity to reflect on a place that has provided many of us with wonderful memories and experiences.
Great read as always, and don't forget, as of tomorrow, of course, mandatory mask wearing. You're stepping outside of the house, cover your face.
Yes, it's not that hard to wear a mask. What's your saying that you came up with?
It's
not a hard ask.
It's not a hard ask, wear a mask, especially if you want to, protect yourself. Well, it's mandatory now. Otherwise, you might cop a $200 fine if the men and women in blue catch you doing a chew without your face covered.
Oh, very good, very good.
It's not a hard ask, wear a mask.
Exactly.
Yeah. Also, just wanted to mention, you had a pretty exciting thing happen for you last week on Thursday.
Yes, I got to work with a big production team on a shoot at Yarra Ranges Tech School, doing some instructional videos. So that was a great experience. It was completely different than what we do here. But I still love what we do. We're not a massive team, but we make it work, don't we, Pat?
Oh, we do, and you smashed that job, girl. So congratulations to you on your first big sort of production. So,
yes, outside community TV.
TV.
Thank you. But now we better do our thank yous. Thank you to Danny behind the camera. As always, doing an amazing job. We haven't had as much work lately as we would like to, but I'm sure things will pick back up soon. And thank you to you, Pat, for doing your thing as always and keeping our humble little show going.
We're hanging in there. We're hanging in there. And don't forget, of course, if you would like us to advertise you, provide an advertorial for your business or organisation, of course, it's only $250. Our team come out and we feature you to our channel of over 11,000 followers.
11,000 now, oh my goodness, that's crazy.
1111, I think it was on Sunday when I checked last.
Amazing. Thank you for all your support as well, guys.
As always, we're living, loving and sharing life in the Valley and the Ranges, only on
Yarra Ranges Live TV.
Thanks for watching.